In 1921, the thriving community of Greenwood in Tulsa, Oklahoma, known as Black Wall Street, was a symbol of Black prosperity and resilience. Despite the unprecedented tragedy of the Tulsa Race Massacre, this indomitable spirit of survival persists beyond its ashes. Today, we explore life beyond Black Wall Street, diving into the strength and ingenuity of those who faced seemingly insurmountable odds, yet still persevered. The aftermath of 1921 left countless displaced, with livelihoods reduced to cinders. The immediate years saw survivors navigating a society that was often openly hostile. Unable to rely on external support, they turned inward, fostering a deeply interconnected network of community resilience. Families rebuilt their homes from scratch, entering new enterprises and even revitalizing beloved businesses. Such actions demonstrated a profound commitment to an ideal that transcends place: the pursuit of progress with dignity and determination. These formidable individuals branched out across the United States, imprinting their indelible influence on cities from Chicago to Los Angeles. They contributed to burgeoning Black-owned businesses and established significant institutions that became pillars of support for Black Americans nationwide. In this wider frame, the quintessential spirit of Black Wall Street found new expressions, empowering generations who followed. Education and cultural upliftment became focal points. Through establishing schools and fostering arts, Black Americans created a vibrant cultural tapestry. In crafting narratives steeped in personal triumph and collective strength, they laid the groundwork for future civil rights advancements. Overcoming adversity, they succeeded not just in terms of economic recovery, but through the cultivation of leadership and innovation within the broader African American community. By recognizing the legacy of surviving beyond Black Wall Street, we honor the tenacity that sparks regeneration, embodying a testament to the enduring and unyielding spirit of hope and renewal. Thus, the rich legacy of Black Wall Street continues, inspiring resilience beyond sanctuary.